You're right, Sam, yeah? This is Average Joe's Quick Tips. Quick Tips for the Average Joe. Now, I might have done this one before, but I think it's well worth redoing. This is the best way to hide a screw. Now, a great tip I picked up since sharing this technique a few years ago was to wet the wood first so it's easier to bend the wood back. It works really well. Now, the process is as simple as taking a chisel and a mallet and peeling back part of the wood so you can put a screw in, fold it back down and glue it in place. The further you peel the wood back, the more it's going to be able to bend back. You can do the same to the walnut too. For this demonstration, I'm not going to attach these pieces to anything, but I will put a screw into the boards because we only need to see how well this technique hides them. Now it's just a case of adding wood glue and folding the wood down to cover the screw. I have found that adding a dab of super glue saves using any clamps, but I ran out unfortunately. All we need to do is hold the wood down while the glue dries. When the glue is dry, we can sand away any excess and the screw should be hidden. So that's it then, guys. I think the results speak for themselves. There's lots of different ways to hide screws and different fasteners, but I personally think that this is the best way to go. So if you're ever caught short, you're ever stuck and you need a way to conceal a screw or a nail or any kind of fastener, give this one a go. It works really well. As always, I want to say a massive thank you to all my Patreon supporters. Honestly guys, I can't thank you enough. It really goes a long way to helping what I do on the channel and I just really appreciate it, so thank you. I'll catch you all on the next video.